that's right, because now you slide down.
Perfect, we can use it.
Good morning. Do a backflip. Look at the...
Wait, don't move. Nick! Try to have a check.
Yeah, it's on.
It's on. So is this one.
Enjoy. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow. Porridge, yeah. Oh wow. Quite tricky. Alright. I'll see you there. Woo. Yo. Shit. Whew. Yo. No, you go first, I'll follow you. Of black. You see the altiport? Yeah. We're gonna take the first lift at USA. Fanculo. Fanculo. Thank you. Are you good? You okay? Sorry. Okay.
You okay, huh? Are you okay? Watch out where you go, it's very icy.
Yeah, I know. I tried to brake. And then
Sì.
I found him in front of him. I couldn't like brake.
Italiano, vero?
Sì.
Si sente subito.
Vero. No,
Guarda,
perché?
non te fa le rosse, qua te fai male.
No, io di solito faccio il problema che mi ha tagliato quando stavo già frenando. Quindi il massimo che potevo fare. O tiravo dritto e prendevo gli altri o finivo lui.
Sì, ma fatti
No, è
le
troppo.
verdi, fatti le verdi.
No, non serve. Devo essere un po'.
Ben, now we do it me and you. Come on.
Questo
Guarda Ben!
è mio.
No, it's a bad choice what you did, Ben. It's a bad choice because now you slide down.
Where are you? Yeah, okay, and that's fine. Which bar? Verdon's, yeah?
Ah bah oui, ils ont accéléré. Oui, mais c'est bien accéléré.
Did Nick go home?
No, it's there. I destroyed a kid.
You went into a kid?
I went into kid, like I completely smashed him door in a red one. Oh my god.